This Lichamp HVAC manifold gauge set covers common automotive and home refrigerants, so one kit can handle most charging and diagnostic tasks you are likely to encounter. The 4-valve block with clearly color-coded, extra-long hoses makes it straightforward to hook up to high and low sides, vacuum pump, and refrigerant source without constant reconfiguring. Build quality feels reassuring, with brass and aluminum components that stand up well to regular shop use and resist the flimsy feel of cheaper plastic-heavy alternatives. The large, easy-to-read dials, marked in Fahrenheit degree units, and wide pressure ranges help you monitor system behavior accurately during evacuation, charging, and recovery. It comes as a very complete package, including quick couplers, can tap, adapters, and a valve core remover, so you are not hunting for extra fittings to get started. Even less experienced users will appreciate the straightforward layout and included instructions, which make routine air conditioning service faster and more confident once you have used the set a few times.